When I was smaller, 8 years old, running in the mud, the future felt so far, like the clouds over Gunung Tahan. We had nothing much, but we had everything. Then the tar roads came, motorbikes roaring. I grew up, I worked hard, factories, sweat, saving every cent. Sometimes tired, but never give up. Because I know we're building something. When Twin Towers touch the sky, I cry, Not sad lah, proud, very proud. My Malaysia can touch the clouds. Now I'm old, 70. Grandson asked me, Atok, you happy? I look at him, I look at my photos. Kampung, towers, his face. I say, Sayang, I didn't just watch Malaysia grow. I grew with her. Every wrinkle is a story. Every scar is progress. This Tanah Air, she beautiful, isn't she?